Need to get cash with your SoFi debit card? The process is just like any other bank card, but with a great perk: fee-free access to a massive network of ATMs. Let's talk about how it works. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. SoFi doesn't charge you ATM fees, and they'll reimburse fees charged by other ATM operators within their network. The key is knowing how to find those in-network machines. The easiest way is to use the SoFi app. Tap on your SoFi Money account, find the ATM locator tool, and it will show you a map of all the fee-free ATMs near you, often at places like Allpoint or MoneyPass locations. When you find one, just insert your card, enter your PIN, and make your withdrawal like you would at any other ATM. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: always select credit at the ATM. Even though it's a debit transaction, choosing credit can sometimes help you avoid extra fees, and it processes through the same Visa network that SoFi uses for its fee reimbursement. Just like that, you can access your cash without worrying about pesky fees eating into your withdrawal. Do you find yourself using cash often, or are you mostly digital these days? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.